Alrighty then.
Welcome to Outdoor Fun.
Alrighty then. Cheers. Miller Lite. Oh, red squirrel's going crazy over here. Alright, well, it's early afternoon Tuesday. It's beautiful out. I'm not going to do any work this afternoon. Just going to relax. It's hunting season started yesterday, so I'm going to be going out the next 3 days. Not today. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. Just for trips each day. I'll record whatever I see, and then I'm also going to be working on some miscellaneous projects that haven't been finished at the cottage. I got those proper roofing screws, so I'm going to go up and screw those in a little bit. And I bought myself a new toy, brad nailer. Oh yeah. And I bought some trim boards. I'm just going to use 1x4 pressure treated, and I bought some white stone as well. So let me show you those. Stay tuned. Alrighty, yeah, here's the stone I bought. So I didn't buy enough to do everything right now, but I just wanted to see how much coverage I got. So there's 4 bags here, 2 bags here, and what did I get? I got this Appalachian Valley decorative stone, 1¼ inch white stone. Anyway, it's 18 kilogram bags. I got 6 of them, and then I got some 1x4x8 pressure treated. So I should be able to do, quite a bit of this, and I want to do this whole side. So that's the goal. I think that would look really sharp. So I'll show some of that after. But for now, let me just shut this gate. For now, I'm just gonna sit out, have a couple of beers, maybe go for a walk, visit some friends down the lake, and just hang out. Boat's probably gonna come out this week as well. Just zoom into that. Yeah. Oh well. It's that time of year when hunting season starts. The boat's going in because I won't be doing any more fishing. Anyway, stay tuned for some of the project work I do. See ya. Alrighty then. Hey, I went and I got the longer Enduro screws for the woodshed. So I'm going to sneak my way up there, and actually I'll see if I can't set up the other camera and give you a little fun view while I screw this in just to see what they're like. Anyway, stay tuned. It's okay, bud. It's okay. It's just me. It's just me. All right, let's see how this screws together. Sweet. Go here. Cool. Cool. That went really well, I think. Anyway, I'll spend some more time on it over the next little while. I'm in no hurry, but I'm glad to see how that worked. Anyway, stay tuned. See ya. Alrighty then, I think that went pretty well. So these are the screws. Yeah, so hopefully you get a good view of that, and I'll do the rest at some point. I'm in no rush, so It's actually good enough right now, just the way it's screwed in, just kind of all around the outside. But I'll get up there and screw it in a little better, but I don't have to do it right now. I got to start working on the trim of the insulated skirting, and also putting down that stone. It's going to look really nice. Stay tuned for that. Alrighty then. Man, nothing like a fire at the cottage. And there's a loon in the background, if you can hear it. I just love the loons. I can hear a frog. I love these lights. Come on, loon. Just having a Miller MDJ. MGD. Miller Genuine Draft. Oh, come on there, loon. Where are you, buddy? Oh, another one over there. They're talking to each other. Awesome. There's two over there, and there's one over there. Awesome. Ha! Even the duck is into it now. I love listening to the loons. And I can even hear a duck in there too. Oh, I hear goose. There's a goose out there too. It's a party on the lake, folks. Party on the lake. Haha. That's awesome. I hope those sounds turn out nice. Oh. More goose action. Oh my goodness. Jeez, they're going crazy. Haha. See ya. Alrighty then. Hey, time to do some work for the insulated skirting, some of the finishing touches. So I've got my finishing trim. I've got my 1x4 pressure treated that I'm going to use, and I've got my white stone that I'm going to use. But before I do that, I'm just going to steal some of the excess gravel that is in certain areas and just kind of spread it evenly along the edges. I'll show you what I mean. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I've got like no gravel here, but look at all the excess gravel I have under here. So I'm going to steal some of that and put that along here. That'll look nicer. And also, like here, there's not that much. Oh, there's a big frog. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? How are you? Hello. Oh, don't hit that, goof. Anyway, leave him alone. Same idea here. There's a bunch of extra gravel in this area and under here. So I'm just going to kind of rake some of that up and get the shovel, and I'll just kind of clean it up. I'll just show you what it looks like after. You don't really need to see me do that part. Stay tuned. Alrighty then, that actually looks a little bit better. Let me show you. I filled in with some of the extra gravel I had in other spots. I filled in those spots. So let me show you. So compare that from before. Yeah, it's a lot better. There's now there's a little bit of a base at least. And then I won't need as much of the white stone. The white stone is more decorative, but it's also, you know, to make sure that I keep the critters out from trying to dig through there. So anyway, let me go get my new brad nailer, and I will I'll start the trim on this corner. Actually, I got to put the two corners together with the brackets that I bought. So I'll do that, and I'll record some stuff here. Stay tuned. Alrighty then. Anyway, I got these brackets. It's actually a little bit tough. It's I have to push it in a little bit. We'll see how this works. All right, that turned out pretty good. Let me just show you. Yeah, that's not too bad. And then my trim will come up here and here. It's really just to kind of keep that corner bound. So I think that should be nice and solid. At first this was hard to push in, but those screws, they held up really nice. Anyway, so I got 4 corners like this, but I don't know if I'll get all 4 done right now. Well, I might do that other one. It all depends, because I want to do this trim, see how that works. And then from there, I'll put the stone down and we'll see how much coverage I get. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so the trim. So what I plan to do, as I want to line the corners up perfect, but it's hard as one person to kind of hold 2 pieces of 1x4x8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just put a couple of screws on each wall to hold, just to hold the trim up, and so then I can line it up and then use the brad nailer. So let's just see how that looks. We'll see how it works at least. Okay, that's held in place really good. I'm gonna go get my level, just make sure everything is good. Stay tuned. Always gotta have a level. All right, that's pretty level. I'll do the other side. Actually turned out pretty good. Let me show you. Yeah, so that just kind of holds the board in place so that I can easily line this up so that I can get this, this corner, all nailed in nice and straight. Actually, it looks really sharp. I wasn't sure about the contrast, but I like that difference between the dark brown and then the lighter brown of the pressure treated trim. Anyway, let me get that, use my brad nailer and see how that works. Stay tuned. I'm actually excited to use this thing. Big tool. That battery's dead. Stay tuned. Actually, it wasn't dead. It just didn't have enough juice. So I put the bigger one on there and we'll see how that goes. Awesome. That turned out really nice. All right, I'm just going to give it some extra, whatever you call that, staples or nails, some extra nails, some extra brad nails. That's my new favorite gun. I love it. Wow, what a tool. Man, I might have to get the bigger one. No more hammering. Although I do like using the hammer, but for the fine stuff, I'll be able to use this at home as well for the trim work I'm going to do in the bedroom downstairs. Oh, awesome. Well, let me get these other boards up. I'll just show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Alrighty, a bit of a snag here. I can't get the those little brackets in because of this 4x4 post. And I don't want to take this off because it's screwed into the block down here. And it's kind of screwed all together up here as well. So I'm going to improvise, and I'm just going to try a couple of 2-inch screws just down through this board into that board. That'll be good enough. That's better. That turned out really good. Actually, that might be nicer than having those brackets. So I might do that on the other one as well. I think it's a cleaner look. Yeah, I'm going to do that on the other one. Stay tuned. Alrighty then, that worked actually really well. So I took the, you'll see it after, but I took those 2 metal brackets off. It actually looks cleaner. So anyway, I'm going to put some of the stone down, see what that looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty sharp. I'm going to get the other angle and show the rest of it. Stay tuned. one left. Actually pretty easy to use. I think it looks okay. Awesome. Well, I think what I'll do is I'll go around and I'll just tidy it up a little bit, and then I'll just show you what it looks like. Stay tuned. Alrighty, I think that trim and that rock look pretty nice. Anyway, I got basically half the cottage done. Actually, more than half, because I'm not going to be putting any of that under on the other side. So I just have this side to do, and then that little bit there, and then the same on the opposite side. Wow. Yeah, I like it. It's got a nice little finishing touch. It should keep things from trying to dig up, or if they do, I'll see that they have dug. And I don't know, I just like the contrast. It kind of looks nice. Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing how this insulated skirting continues to do as it gets colder and colder. So far, so good. I'm really happy with it. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to get a beer and do some finishing comments. Stay tuned. Cheers. Miller Lite. Oh yeah. It's always Miller Lite time. Well, not always, but it certainly is 2 o'clock, so that was fun. I'm glad to get that done. I still have about half to do, so I'll pick up some more of the 1x4, more of those rocks, and I got to do those other 2 corners, and then I have to put the little doors. I haven't put the handles for those other 2 doors in yet, and then I need to screw down the rest of the roof, and then I'm going to share a list of other projects, but I'll share that next week. But for now, oh yeah, I'm going to enjoy that because the sun just came out, like literally in the last half an hour. It was a bit overcast, and now I'm too hot with these pants on. All right, hey John Deere, I don't have one of your tractors yet. Maybe if this channel takes off, you can get me a tractor. All right, cheers, thank you, see ya. Thanks for watching. See ya.